Alright, stand by everybody. Here we go. Lock it up on the bell. Roll playback. Cue the sun. Cue the waves. Cue the thunder. Cue the rain. And action.
This is the emergency broadcast system. A Category 4 hurricane with sustained winds of 125 miles an hour is making landfall in New York. All residents are instructed to seek shelter immediately.
I'm live here in the Channel 88 newsroom. Let's go to one of our reporters in Midtown. They say this could be one of the storms of the century. What can you tell us?
Windows are blowing in all around us! Signs are being ripped off the buildings! This is Captain Tracy! Channel 88 News! Live in Midtown!
Wherever that sign lands, we only hope there are no people nearby.
This is the emergency broadcast system. The hurricane is now Category 5. Stay away from all windows and extinguish all flames. Repeat, extinguish all flames.
Everyone is urged to remain calm. The authorities have the situation under control.
That's a cut. Alright, let's reset. Everything goes back to 1.
Ladies and gentlemen, kindly please gather all your personal belongings and exit to your right. Thank you for experiencing live camera action hosted by Steven Spielberg. And we hope that you enjoy the rest of your stay here with us and Universal Studios